Hi everyone, today I'm going for a foodie adventure and I would like to take you along. Today I'm revisiting one of my favorite restaurant, Gyukaku Japanese BBQ Dining. They have a lunch menu, lunch Gyu combo, two barbecue items for one person and also three barbecue items for one person at that price. This is a place they call yakiniku has a magic to make you happy. That is the word in the Japanese and it actually means that the barbecue meat will make you happy. And this is the combo, Gyu combo lunch that I'm going to try today. You can choose 2 or 3 out of the menu of all this meat. There's some that you have to upgrade for the choicest meat. And I did put in garlic fried rice bowl so that I can try the garlic fried rice instead of the white rice that was given free. Of course, you can go for anything that you like. It comes with the rice, the white rice, the soup, and the salad. And that is actually what I wanted, to have a lunch salad, to have miso soup, and also on top of that, has some protein. The 3 barbecue meat for one person will be perfect for me because today I'm super hungry after running some errands. I chose actually the yaki beef, the toro beef, and I think the yaki shabu beef. That was recommended by the waiter, and I chose 2 and he said to try the other one, and I'm super happy. This is the bowls, the gyu bowls, in case you want to just make it easier. Instead of cooking by yourself, you can just have like a gyu bowl. I was so super happy to try this salad. Instead of the normal salad, this has the daikon. The white julienne daikon is actually very it's not nutritious, but it has a benefit of cleansing your body of all the toxin in the body, and it is very, very good. I chose these 3 meat. I believe it's the yakiniku toro, the miso, and also maybe the spicy one. Now, this sauce I would really, really recommend because I fell in love with this sauce and I wanted to buy one. They actually sells them at the shops, at the restaurants. So ask for them if you really, really like them. And it's like a spicy sauce. And I think it is made in the restaurant. These are the 3 meat that I have ordered to go with my rice and soup and salad. And today I'm having a feast all by myself. I decided to come and revisit this shop because for a long time I haven't done a story yet. Even though sometimes I do come with my friends to do the bigger portion of the barbecue. Like sometimes 5 of us will come for a party set. But today I'm just gonna be one person because I wanted to make a story and show you. And I think this lunch menu is super exciting. It's not expensive at all. You can try it. You know, sometimes you want to have a treat for lunch. You want to have a treat lunch with friends. Well, this is the right place. Choose either the 2 or 3. If you're small eater, go for the 2. I will strongly recommend the garlic rice. What's inside?
It's gonna be onions, a lot of different garlic, so garlic paste, garlic slices, a raw egg, which cooks with the hot stone bowl, and white rice.
Okay, thank you so much. So there's more than one type of garlic?
Yeah, so it's like garlic slices, garlic paste, garlic chips. It's a lot of different.
No wonder it's so great.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, thank you.
I'll make a video to show you how to make this easily at home. Very easy recipe with garlic, with onions, with different kinds of garlic, and I will top it up with some sesame, of course. And yeah, let's see. It's so delicious and fragrant. And that bowl is special because it's metal, so that it will keep the rice warm. Amazing. This lunch is amazing for me. On that day, I had to run a lot of errands, become really hungry, and sometimes I only eat like a meal a day, like a big lunch meal, and then dinner is very, very light. I will like to start now. Most of the time I like to start with my salad. The order of eating food, it says will help you avoid an insulin spike if you always start with your salad. Cherry tomatoes really gives that sweetness in your salad. They actually added some daikon julienne, and I would like to say that daikon is used in many of the Japanese and also in the Korean dishes. Okay? Improve your health, always start with your salad. And then just a little bit of meat, protein, good meat, always good for you. Now, Gyukaku has some of the best beef marinade slices. I think some of the beef is aged for 21 days. This will increase the tenderness, increase a rich flavor. And some of the best selling cuts is the harami miso skirt steak. And this way of dining is also to increase the entertainment and the social conversation around eating and cooking together. This is a concept of having the grill while you gather around and you're cooking and you're eating and you're catching up. This is one of the ways that actually I love to spend with my family, gathering around, friends getting around, and then we are cooking some food together and catching up on our daily life. I feel this is a very, very good concept of dining experience. Okay, and I read that this restaurant was opened 1996. The meaning of Gyukaku is horn of the bull. In the kanji, in the words, the Chinese words, the kanji words it actually means niu jiao, which is the horn of the bull. Their yakiniku grilled barbecue is very delicious, marinated well, and I would suggest you coming for a lunch treat one of these days. If you like my video, and if you found this foodie adventure really puts a smile on your face, come and try. Like, share, and share this with your friends, your foodie friends. Come and have an adventure together. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to show you more foodie adventure, more recipes that I'm cooking every day, almost every day, and I will make sure I will upload this video so that you will learn where to source, where to eat, what to buy, what to make yourself all these beautiful treats. Life is short. Enjoy while you can. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. For now, guys, bye.